Hi guys, you've seen that we've made a news video about the Arc themes being split into pieces, right? All the themes are now separately, you can install separately, or you can use the ArcoLinux Meta Arc theme package and install all of them in one go. First of all, there's a new guy around, and yes, he's active already. So if you want, you can do sudo pacman -s and then ArcoLinux Arc Vampire Dark. So that's the look, that's the color, and you can make your own, and that's what this video is about. You can make your own color, and there are 16,700,000, give or take a few, right? And you choose the color. You use our scripts. It's online. ArcoLinux create Arc themes. Git clone it. I've just pushed something online 2 minutes ago, and that's what we're gonna explain to you. There is one just for you. Script 5 for users. So you do git clone, meaning it's like this, and you go up here and do Control-Shift-Enter. You have projects, that's what I do, create folder, projects, I've done it already. This I can delete, and then I do git clone. Well, the last code is here, and in a month's time you're gonna see, has Eric changed anything? You do git pull, and the new code will come in. Okay, that's why we do git clone. I've ran already a few things because this is the second trial for the video. But basically, know this, XD, this is a VirtualBox installation, and by default there is no GNOME and Cinnamon and so on, right? Because of the scripts, because of the need to have Cinnamon and GNOME on our machines, well, to build a theme, my ISO builder has that as well. So know that if you create something, this and this and this will be there. I don't care, because I'll go to the left WM anyway and never go and have a look at those, not even XFCE. So okay, fine. Next up, get necessary software. Done everything already, so skipping, it says. Number 2 is for us. Number 3 is for us. Number 4 is for us. All these themes that we've made, they're all there, right? And this one is for you guys. Make all themes for ArcoLinux tutorial. And what we have here is a name. You need to choose a name. I just put in awesome there, right? Awesome. And I gave awesome a certain color. And now I see perfection, right? This needs to be the same as that one here. Okay. Maybe this is a good thing. I'll pause the video, and then we could do a git pull, and you'll see things change, right? That's a good idea. Okay, pausing. Right, I've changed it. So in a week's time or so, you go back to the folder and you ask git pull. And then the code comes in. Oh, look, something changed. And if you want to see it visually, I like it preferred with this one. And then you see, ah, look. So the last change he did was that, and the change before that he did this, and the change before that he did this. So all my changes are visible quite easily. It's okay, just a name, just a color reference there. So if you want to make the ArcoLinux tutorial, what I did was the following. I'm always on left WM, you know that. So sudo pacman -s, I have xcolor there. Xcolor is a very neat little thing that if you go over something and say, okay, I want to have this kind of color, or I like this kind of color, and you know immediately, okay, that's going to be an orange kind of thing. And I clicked here. I wondered what color would be. No, I clicked it in the end. I clicked here. I clicked the Arc blue, and I wondered how would that look. And if I click here, take a look at the code. Right? It's the same. So now we're gonna build a theme I've never built before, one color out of 16,700,000 colors. And all you have to do is put in a color, put in a name, and run. That's it. Then you wait. Where is it gonna be? If we come, it's gonna come in the .themes folder, if there is one. And I don't think there is one. I don't think I've made it safe in the sense that we better create one. If not available, then create. I don't think that code is in there. So here it is. I'm ready to receive, and he's building the Arc theme like the developers do, right? From Arc. The only difference is everything that's blue is gonna be red or orange or green, or in our case, this Arc blue from the folder up here. And we'll see how it looks. If you type this, anything that's of course a real kind of color, you get here a picker. You choose just one of those guys, depending on the wallpaper, depending on the icons, and this is the code you want without the hashtag. Click. Right? Looks like a kind of a dirty kind of look here, but here it is. There is more. Let's go into the blue kind of thing. Choose. And we have Arc Awesome Dark. So the name is important because later you want to see what's the effect, and that's why you need a different name, so we can just select it. This is what we've created. And the tweak tool. Know that there's a new guy, thousands of changes under the hood, and a few minor changes for the front end for the user. So that's the blue now we've chosen. Here he is. Remember, and the tweak tool is now white. If we restart, first set everything to dark, whatever you want to have, restart it again, and restart it again. Yep. Oops. This should have been dark already. I'll check it out later if there's a reason for it, because everything is set. Everything is set the way I like it. Arc Awesome Dark. Now there are all blue things, and there are many blue things, and there's the normal blue, the Arc Dark, this blue, and so take a look at that, and then the awesome. It's close, right? I think it's close. Anyway, 60 million colors to choose from, so you choose and you create your own theme. You can just leave it there where it is. It's fine here. .themes, it's just for you. And if you later want to be an ISO builder and you want to share it with people, then you put it in file system, user, share, and then themes. That's where all ours are, all the Arc stuff. All right, cheers.